Hello online learners. In this video I'm going to talk to you about paper guidelines and the cover page. Now you can find the paper guidelines in the instructor announcements section of the course. Once you locate them within the announcement section, you'll click on it and you will see all the requirements for a paper. Now I did go over a little bit of these when I was talking about a lesson, but I'm going to discuss these a little bit more detail now. You must have a cover page, and it's required for every single assignment and course project that you write. It's a necessity. Must have it. All papers need to be in 12-point font size. You can type your papers in Times New Roman, Courier New, or Century. These are the best fonts to use. The main font that you normally will use will be Times New Roman, so I would get used to using that font as much as possible. You need to have 1-inch margins on all sides of your paper. All text should be left aligned. Indent each new paragraph. You can use the tab key located next to the letter Q key to create your indentations. All sentences must begin with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. Spell out all words. If you are spelling the word you, it is spelled Y-O-U, not the letter U. Spell out all words. R, B, we are not text typing in our papers. You will lose points if you do R's, U's, B's, and not the full word. The letter I, when used alone in a sentence as a pronoun, is always capitalized. So an example, I am going to the store. Now it is at the beginning of the sentence, but it's capitalized. If I said Brandon and I are taking a trip, the I after and will be capitalized. Make sure you are using APA style formatting when you use research in your papers. I will have the APA style information announcement up later today, along with a video on how to create your reference pages. Refrain from using bold or italics when typing your papers unless it's needed. Please only submit one document to each of your assignments. So when you are uploading your files to your course project or to submit your assignment, you should have one document. I should not receive any more but one. So that means everything has to be attached to one document. And I'm going to show you that in just a moment. Follow all word counts. I've discussed this before, but I'll go over it again. If the assignment calls for 250 to 300 words, you need to make sure you're not under or over that amount. Now I will tell you that I give a 30 minimum word over. So you could write 330 words and you'll be okay. After that, I'll have to debate, if I'm going to take points off or not. When you go to 400 and 500 words, you will lose points. This is not to be overly picky. This is to make sure you understand that when you are told directions, you need to follow them. Remember, all these requirements are your responsibility to make sure that they are followed. And if you have questions, obviously you can get in contact with me. The cover page, I created a cover page for you so that all you have to do is click on it and erase information so that you can add it in. And I'm going to show you that now. To find the attachment, it's up in the top right-hand corner, right underneath the gray bar. Once you click on it, it will download and you will be able to open it. So this is what it looks like. You'll see that I have already formatted it for you. So all you have to do is erase the information and add the information that's needed. To do your header, you will double click up in the header area and you will type whatever your paper is. So since some of you have done, we'll do the brainstorm. So we're going to type brainstorming. You'll double click out of that. And then you can add your name. So we'll just try that again. My computer is being slow. So I'm going to put my name. You'll erase all of this information right here. You would type GS 101 Career Development. You'll obviously put my name here. The name of the assignment is going to be, you can do Course Project 1, Brainstorming. date submitted. You can write the due date for this. So this is due Sunday. So all you're going to write is October 6, 2013, and then Millermont College. All that's done for you. Now you'll notice that you have to go into the second page then and type in, again in all caps, the title. Now you'll notice what I was trying to say before is the word running head is on the first page, which is your cover page, but it does not appear on the second page because it's not supposed to. Now when you're typing your paper, you'll type your paper on page 2, and you'll make sure you have the word, reach the word limit. Anytime you have to go to another page, you'll notice that the header will automatically format with the page number. I did this so I could help some of you that may be not as handy with the computer, and then this way you're not stressing yourself out trying to make this cover page or the paper perfect. Again, all you have to do with this cover page is take the information that I've provided, erase the categories, and place that information in there. And that is all you have to do. Again, let me reiterate, the cover page must be on every written assignment and every written course project. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, you can reach me at Skype, online at Facebook. You may call my cell phone if it is a huge emergency, and the best place is Moodle messaging. If you're unsure how to do Moodle messaging, there is a video in the video section in the announcements. Have a great day.